In for a break. And they'll be converging on one another for the next part of this very spirited programme. Major Antonin Petru, also a seasoned helicopter exponent in the Czech Air Force, and he's in his 5th season in the Sokol display team, whereas the team leader, Petr Safarek, is notching up his 10th season. The other crew members of the camouflage helicopter are the co-pilot First Lieutenant Katarina Pardosova and the flight engineer Warrant Officer Radek Seslik. Now it's carousel time. They turn to face one another. They call this the merry-go-round. And now, having stopped to face each other into rearwards transitions and then pushing back into forward flight with a 90-degree turn away by the number 2 helicopter. And you'll get a chance to see the camouflage Sokol very close up first, because it's going to conduct a rolling landing on the runway. Followed by the red and white one doing likewise. These aircraft are based at Kabeli Air Base, which is just northeast of Prague in the Czech Republic. But if you ever find yourself in that neck of the woods, Kabeli Air Base also has an excellent aviation museum, which is open free to the public, and it includes many former Soviet-type aircraft. But the highlight for me there is XT-899, a Blue Bravo, a Phantom of 19 Squadron, which was flown in by Wing Commander Mike Collins. Reverse direction, touch and goes now. And we'll now see the process from earlier repeated, but this time it's the camouflage Sokol which is going to effect the rescue, with the red and white one providing top cover. The red and white HEMS configured Sokol have a doctor and nurse accompanying the 3 flight crew, and they're on 24/7, 365-day year standby at 4-minute readiness by day, 10-minute readiness by night. And they also operate from a detachment base at Pilsen, from which the HEMS helicopters respond to the likes of car accidents, children requiring life support, and so on. As for the standard transport Sokol, like the camouflage one we see there, that can accommodate up to 12 passengers or take 2,200 kilos of cargo. They can have a so-called Bambi bucket underslung for firefighting, or they can dangle the survivors on the line like this. climbing spiral from the hover, to be followed by descending spirals. Number 2 going first, and then we'll see number 1 following suit. The size and utility of this lovely helicopter, unsurprisingly, has turned it into an export success story, with aircraft types being sold to Algeria, Chile, the Czech Republic, Myanmar, the Philippines, Poland, South Korea, Uganda, Germany, Portugal, UAE and Spain, all in a variety of military and civil roles, including search and rescue, as you see here, policing and also firefighting. Yeah.